I'm gonna swatch the gel polish glitter holiday gel polish. Blue, purple, pink, silver, gold nail gel set, 6 pieces. Colors 10 mLs gel polish set. By Model Ones. I was just reading the page. It's only gonna give me 15 minutes again. Alright, so I just got this. This is called, on the box it says Dazzling. Why did I try to put that in the box? Dazzling. On the site I ordered this, it says holiday gel polish. I don't know. But I'm going to just use my swatch sticks. I think there's 6 colors, so I'm just going to grab 6 of these out. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I do have this, but for the sake of time, I'm not going to use that. This is the top coat, and the top coat, I haven't used this yet, so I don't know exactly what's in here. This is take the sticker off. By Model Ones too. I think it's a gel top, gel base, and alright, base coat, top coat, all in a primer. I'm not using that on these swatches. So I'm just going to I'm going to grab my lint-free wipe. A true lint-free wipe, because it literally doesn't leave any lint behind. And I'm just going to spray there's alcohol in this. I'm just going to spray this down. This is really fast, but only 15 minutes. So, just quick as I can. Just clean these off. Make sure there's no dust, particles. And I'll label these. I don't know. It might write on them or just print out little labels. Not sure, but these are the strips, swatches, swatch sticks. So let's open this up. Let's see what this says. Alright. This has, here's the colors. And on here it says blue, alright, there's a blue, purple, pink, silver, I guess that's supposed to be silver, gold, and what's this color? It says blue, purple, pink, silver, gold. Blue, pink, purple, pink, silver, gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another one. I don't know, but that's what it says on the description. So I thought there was 5, but there's actually 6. Alright, so let's start in the order in which I see these. In the order in which the boxes are. Boxes? The bottles are in. Let's see. Okay. I have to take all these out so long as part of this process. I'm going to swipe this. This one is blue. Do these have numbers on it or anything? Oh, numbers. This one is 054. I don't know if it's focusing. That's 054. Okay, so let's watch this. I'm using it. Oh, look how thick that is. Really thick. Love it. So this is the blue. And I'm just gonna put this on. I'm probably gonna do at least 2 layers on each one. No more than 3. Here's layer number 1. I want to cure between coats. You can see that. Pretty. Alright, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. And we're going to the next layer, or the next color. And that is purple. Alright, this is the purple. This is number 53. And let's get that open. Let's see. 53. Alright, here's what the purple looks like. These are really thick. This is purple. And I'm just doing one coat. Alright, this one looks a little like thinner. I don't know if that's focusing or not, but it's purple. Alright, that's gonna focus. I don't know if that made it worse. Maybe I'll try this and see if it works any better. That's one swatch. I'm gonna do the rest. Of the first coats off camera because it's gonna take up my time. And I'll be back. Alright, so far it's white swatch. Here's the purple. This is one coat. You can see these. I need to get like something for the background so I'll pick up the colors really good. Let me see. This maybe? That's purple. One. It's white, but there's two silvers. I don't know. That's one of them. One coat. And then this is the second silver one. One coat. This is the blue. I think did I show this one already? Yeah, that was the first one I did. That's one coat. And this is the pink. One coat. Alright, I'm going to do the gold one coat. Here's what it looks like. How thick that is. So nice and thick. And creamy. Let's see what it's like. Okay. Here's the gold.
You want me to serve you?
No, thanks. Okay. These are all one coat only. I won't touch them. So I'm going to put a second coat. And then I'll come back with a second coat. Okay. Okay, they're almost done. Really? Did I reset that? Dazzling. They're almost done. I'm just waiting for them to cure. Oh, okay. Alright, let me take these out. Let's see. Oh, yeah, they're cured. Oop, nothing. Alright, this is the gold. I'm gonna pick these up because, you know, that would help. Here is the pink. And the blue one. Okay. This one, oh, purple. And silver. Now, I'm looking at bloopers and I don't care. So, don't be judging me. Let me see. You see that one? Those are all of the ones in this set. They are really thick, like ice cream thick. Really pretty. Let's see if you can see. Okay. And this time I took just plain old and wrote on them because the other ones I made labels. I think I'm doing a better system where I put like a little tag or something like that. So I want to change these. Then I could just take them off. I don't know, whatever. But for now, I just wrote on the little clear part the number that coordinates with the color. Okay. And that is that. This is a really nice kit. Oh, I didn't even check to see if all these were cured. Yeah, they're cured. So I gotta put them on my desk. Is this cured? Yeah. Well, nothing on my fingers, but yeah, it feels a little oily down there. That's cured. A little oily. And let's see. So it's nice and smooth. Alright, this is smooth. This one's oily. I'm gonna put some Alright. This one I'm using as a top coat is the Amali. In a little pink bottle. I'm just gonna cure these ones I feel a little sticky real quick. But that is the end of all of the colors. Oh, I think I already cured that. Like, for 30 seconds. I cured mine for 60 seconds. Because I have the LED. But I'm just going to cure these like another 30. But that is the end of this little collection from Model 1s. They're beautiful. Loving them. Okay. So, yeah. Really pretty. That's the purple duck, bro. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Oh, if I did this. I'm getting ready to eat. I'm hungry. My baby's hungry. And Kira, that is the set from that I purchased on Amazon by Model 1s. Dazzling. Very, very cheap. Like, oh my god. You get 6 colors. I didn't use those with any top coat base or gel base dye. What was I saying? Oh, it's letting me go past 15 minutes. Oh, it gave me extra 23 seconds. Alright, so I did not put the Model 1's base coat or the primer. I just did it with the polish and a top coat. And the top coat was this. Alright, my thing's running out of time.